Taxation Minister James Sangma has informed that the state government is yet to formulate a plan to reduce state tax on fuel. Speaking to the press on October 22nd, he said that there are multiple factors contributing to the rise of oil prices and the state government do not have control over it.
There are various and multiple factors which contribute to the rise of oil prices, and today we see that kind of impact on the oil prices in the country, and this is something that there are some factors which can be mitigated, which there are some factors which we don't have no control over. So therefore, these prices are rising, and we all have to bear with it now.
Asked about the implementation of one-time settlement or OTS, the taxation minister said that the OTS serves to provide relief not only to petrol pump owners but also to other business houses who have difficulty in paying back outstanding dues they owe to the government.
OTS, the one-time settlement, was not just for petrol pump owners. The one-time settlement was for all those business houses or individuals or proprietorships who have had difficulty in paying back whatever outstanding dues they owe to the government. And the OTS has been, I think, very, very helpful in providing succor to a lot of individuals and business houses. And although I would say that the response was not really up to our expectations, but yes, it is a start, and we're happy that those who availed of it, and it provided relief to many, many people.
Meanwhile, following the skyrocketing prices of oil, the Hindu Threp Youth Council or HYC staged black flag protest rallies at Nongpo and Shillong on Friday, demanding deduction of taxes on petrol, diesel and LPG. The members of the organization put up black flags at various public places as part of resentment against government's apathy. TNT Bureau.